Welcome back, guys, to my channel. I hope you all are doing good and you had a good trading day. Like what we discussed yesterday, we will see good rally or momentum in the small and mid caps, and I think the momentum continued for today. Also, in my first video, we discussed that the downside looks limited on the indices, and till now, the view is valid. But now I'm not that bullish. We will see how it goes from tomorrow. You can kind of say that it's kind of a relief rally for now until we get a confirmation about the higher levels. Okay, but let's analyze what we discussed yesterday and how the day went. Today. So, yesterday, if you remember in our video, we discussed about one of the crucial levels that Nifty had. Okay. So, this was a level that we discussed around 17,560 to 17,565, where we have seen huge buying happened by some big players. Okay. So today market opened below that, and then market crossed that level. Okay, if you have seen in the early morning, and it gave an indication that okay, this level is getting breached. So somebody who buyed at this level is trying to hold the market. He doesn't want to go into a loss. And if you see, market went above. Then market came multiple times to test this support, but never broke this line. Can you see this? And the market just went up and up and up. So interestingly, the numbers that we discussed yesterday worked really well. Okay, now for what will happening tomorrow. So when the day was closing, I see that there are a good amount of buying as well as selling happened. So I think both bulls and bears are active. If you see, this is a buying of around 1000 contract at this level, 521. Then we have around 532, 1100 contracts, and then we have 1500 contracts at 550. So I think there is a huge buying happened, but also there is a selling of around 1300 contracts at one level. So right now, both bulls and bears are kind of fighting with each other for the level. So definitely, it's interesting to see how Nifty behaves, like how it will work from the bulls and bears point of view. If you just see the chart of the Nifty daily, definitely it had holded that level what we discussed earlier, 17 450, and it is again came back inside the level. So kind of a trap also it is showing, and we might see it is going till around 17,700. And this important level what we need to watch for tomorrow is 17,550. So we'll see tomorrow how it goes, because right now there is no clear indication of a one buyer here. There are multiple buyers and sellers right now active. If I just see from a market profile standpoint, I think we still have to cross these levels. If you see these levels of around 17,616 or 17,550, if this both are crossed, definitely we will aim for this 17,800. But that's a long story right now. We need to see what will happen here, because it's a 3-day high as well here, and here there are multiple buyers and sellers are active in the market. Yeah, so that's for today. I think those who have tracked those levels would have got a good profit today. But that's fine. It's just for learning purpose, not for trading. Then if I go to the Bank Nifty, we'll go to the daily chart for Bank Nifty, and if you see what happened yesterday's hammer that we had, it got a good bullish follow through, and Bank Nifty is clearly giving a statement that okay, I am not bearish, I am still want to be bullish, and I would like to go up and up. We'll see how it goes, but till now Bank Nifty seems to be bullish. Definitely there might be 1 or 2 days of consolidation, but Bank Nifty from my point of view is bullish. And if you see today what happened in the Bank Nifty, if you see the overall buying at the end of the day, so this number what you see 11,180, this number, this is the cumulative number of a buyer and seller. So today if you see, buyers are really outperformed. It's 11,000 contracts that were buy today. That is really interesting. So whosoever has buyed it, he would like to hold the market until and unless there are other players coming in. And what happened today? Yesterday, if you remember, we discussed a level of around this. Yesterday we discussed around 440 the levels yesterday, and market never ever come back to that level. So yesterday I told you this is the level where the people have created the bearish positions, and what market had done today is they just trapped these people. So these people got trapped, and the price just went up and up. Maybe they have booked their losses, and they also did some kind of a short covering. So that's what it says right now, that okay, bank nifty trapped many sellers. And if you see for today, this level 40,715, if you see, I just mark it now here, this region, this is where the buying happened today. This is the buying zone. So tomorrow, high chances, if the market comes here, it will take a bounce back from here. It's one of the buying positions. Then you see some scattered buying happen today. So this is one of the area again where we see huge buying happening, in the market. So this is one more area where you need to track for this. If you see, this area got protected, in market came back, but then again, bounced from the same level. So the buyer, whosoever is there, is kind of active, and he wants to get the market up and running. So that's it, for the bank nifty. Again, if you want to see, this is one more level where you see lot many buyers here. They are trying to get into get the sellings. If you see, they are not ready to give up. So I think whatever I can see from the close, in the last period, we still see good huge amount of buying happening today. So we'll see if it's a trap or not, because I'm yesterday I was very confident about this. Today I'm not, because in the nifty both the players, buyers and sellers, both are active. But bank nifty is telling me that okay, I am bullish, I want to be bullish, I have a huge backing. There are people who are buying me in a large quantity. So I think we are good to see some movement here in the bank nifty space. Again, as you see today, most of the stocks, the small cap stocks, have been rallied it out. um, we see the small cap index in the green level. So if market suppose tomorrow, definitely you'll see something there. But I'll say now that this is time for a consolidation for now. So we will see how it goes. Yeah, and who traps whom tomorrow. So tomorrow again, it's expiry level, so it's very important. And the levels that I have shown you, on nifty and bank nifty, will play a crucial role for the expiry tomorrow. Okay. So the analysis mainly is, if you have the system in front of you, the analysis is quite easy and understandable when you do it intraday. Yeah. So at the end of the day, we can just see what happened. But intraday, it's really a system where you can get multiple entries into the options, and based on the bigger person's entries. So for tomorrow, if I see for bank nifty, 14,138 is one of the resistance, and if that crossed, then we will see in good movement. One more stock I talked in my first video. I told you all about it, and this was a federal bank. It was where this level around 128 we initiated a buying, and it gives a very good close today. So good performance by it. And then the rbl bank also we discussed, if you remember. And it is also doing kind of a very good. RBL Bank, sorry, it is in the NSE. If I see NSE, yes. If you see, we were discussing around 150 level. It gave a 10-point move. Yeah, so I think all the small caps are doing good. We are, definitely market will try to negate the selling what happened. But yes, right now market is jittery. We will see tomorrow's expiry, and after that we will form a view on the markets. So I think thanks for watching. One last thing before we close. This is about the disclaimer. So this is just the view that we have. It's nothing to do with it is only for the educational purpose. It's nothing to do with your investment decision. Please try to get in touch with your please try to get in touch with your uh, what you can say financial advisor for doing any trade or investment. Thank you. Be